All right, everybody. So, first of all, you're going to be finishing up your path to the periodic table if you haven't done so already. So, make sure that you have finished going through these kind of pre lab questions and then the post image questions, and make sure you get those extra cards from the teacher for number 6 because you'll need those. Okay. So, make sure you finish that. Once you are done with that, we're going to be working on the periodic table web quest. And this is what that looks like. Sounds exactly what it is. Okay. So there's links here, and you're going to use them to try to learn a little bit about the periodic table because there's a lot of helpful hints in the periodic table. I will not be asking you to memorize the periodic table. It's meant to be a tool. And the more things you learn about the periodic table, the better tool it is for you. So if you click on this link here, some of this will be out of order. They have changed some of the website since I originally started using it. So if there's something that you struggle with, please just reach out. If you really can't find something, or ask your neighbors and then ask me or your teacher. But basically, you're going to try to answer the question. So why are the elements placed in specific places on the periodic table? Periodic periods are blank that run from blank to blank. So you should be able to kind of find those sentences in here pretty straightforward. Okay. So I don't think there's anything tricky about here. And like I said, if there is something that doesn't perfectly align, it's just because they've changed the website a little bit. So again, when you move on to the next section, you're clicking on the next section. So you go to this one, and then it says to click on alkali metals, which once you click on here, it'll be on the left side. So it'll take a second to load, and you're going to click on the alkali metals, and you're just answering the questions. It gives you some information there. So it's pretty straightforward. Multiple links. Don't stay on the first link and expect to get all those things. It'll tell you what to click on. It tries to be as straightforward as possible just to help you get familiar with the periodic table. Okay. So that's what you're looking at. Obviously, again, you can work in your groups, but you are working on your own individual one. I'm not really worried about words being different on this because for the most part, you guys are literally copying from a website, but make sure you are turning in your each individual one, because if you don't turn it in, you don't get credit for it. So make sure, even if you guys are working together, that you make sure you do that. That's it for today. Thank you.